This cordless air duster was recently sent to me to do this video review. These things are really nice. They're made to replace cans of compressed air and they work really well. I do a lot of home projects, so things get dusty all the time. I record them with my camera, so it's important that I have a way to clean off my camera, especially the sensor in the camera and my lenses. This air duster also has a bunch of different attachments. So for example, I could use this attachment with a brush to use it to kind of brush off the dust and blow it off at the same time, which is really nice, especially for getting in like crevices and cracks of different electronics. It also comes with other nozzles for inflating things. It comes in this small box and it is rechargeable via a USB-C cable, and to use it you simply just press the button, turn it on, and it blows the air. It's really straightforward, really nice to have. And you can see it's just great for projects around the house if you need to quickly dust things off or blow things off. It just works really well for that. And then for electronics in general, like computers, laptops, keyboards, it's really nice for keeping things clean and dust free. Overall, I've really enjoyed having this. This also has a green light on it. I'm not really sure why it's green, but you can really kind of see the dust with this green light. So maybe that's why. Maybe green shows dust really well. But this is a great tool to have. It has a pretty beefy battery in there, so it lasts for a long time. It's just great for having for home projects and just keeping things nice and clean and dust free.